How to make a toothpick pencil. First, you're going to need a toothpick, pair of scissors, black Sharpie, red Sharpie, silver Sharpie, or a piece of tinfoil. First, cut the top off over here, the toothpick. Second, color the end black, sharp end. Third, leave some toothpick left over. So, fourth, color orange. Fifth, use a tin foil or silver marker for this part. Sixth, red or pink Sharpie for the eraser. And it should look something like